Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today's video, we are doing house searching. So we're going to look at one house today, and then we will be looking at some later on during the month and next month. So I thought I'd take you along on our very first house. This is the one we like the most, but you'll see some things in there that kind of bothered me, and we'll talk about them later on in another video. Yeah, we've been looking at pictures of this house.
Oh, this is your guys.
Formal dining. And this is what caught me right here. It's this kitchen. I like the island. Breakfast area. Family room. Smile, Auntie. Going into the master bedroom. It's pretty good size. And the master bath. Here's the double sink. Toilets in the closet. Tub and shower. We're gonna have to put some on that glass. And here's the closet. The master. Now, here I am. Hello. So what I know I like the most about this house is what caught my husband's eye. Here's the entryway. Here's the kitchen. I like the island. And here is the formal dining room, pantry. Here. And okay, this is what I like the most. It has an enclosed back porch, a patio. It already has the AC and heat unit here, so I can sit out here year round and drink coffee or tea or cocoa or whatever I choose to drink. Now I like it. It already has ceramic tile on the floor. It has a sliding door here and a sliding door at the end. I really like this. It's a really big area. I like this. Small backyard, that's fine with me because we don't have any small kids, so that's good. Oh my goodness. Now family room has a fireplace like I want, so it has the fireplace. Here's the entryway. And what I like about it is it has this eave here. Let me make it smaller. Ooh, that's bigger. Right here, it has this here. Formal dining, front door entryway. Now, of course, that light, I don't like it. It'll have to be changed. And then here is what you see when you come in. That entryway. Isn't that nice? Okay, we're gonna go this way. Here is a closet. Here is the laundry room. Okay, and then this is the half bath. The light on. I don't feel the light switch. Yeah. Here's the half bath. Huh? Garage. Here's the 2-car garage. Over here. Denise up? Where's Denise? She went up. Okay. Yeah. Here is a bedroom. I like the size of it. Then we have a full bath. Over here, another bedroom. Okay, here is the game room, which would be Eric's man cave. Right here. So it's a pretty big room. Then we step down. You have a bedroom here. And a Jack and Jill. Here. Here's the closet here. Toilet, linen closet. Here is the tub and shower. Another vanity. And the other bedroom. Now this was one of the first homes we looked at. We are going to be looking at a few more before the end of July. So I will take you along on those as well. But this was one of the houses we really want to look at. And we have a list. So I'll be taking you along. So I hope you enjoyed the house tour. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.